Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, this is my December design team haul package from ASC Supplies. You can find them on Etsy or the web, and I'll have a link for you down in the description box. So I'm going to show you what I have gotten for this month. So the first thing I did was I've got my trusty pen, and I just love this color. So there's my pen, and I did get some flowers and some leaves. Those are the 35 millimeter red tone trellis rose pack. It's 5 in a pack, and these are $1.40, guys. That's really good. So, and they're so pretty. That mulberry paper really just brings them to life. So I got those, and then I also ordered the 25 millimeter open roses, and this is a 10 pack for $1.80. That's really good. I wish you could see really how good they actually look. Let me open it up, see if you can see better without the packaging. They're gorgeous, guys. And look at that. Let me see if I can't make that lighting any better, but they are gorgeous. I mean, they are beautiful, and I love that two-tone color. And then I also ordered 2 packages of the green fern leaves. These are $1.25 a pack, and these are the green fern leaves, and they are so pretty. So I ordered 2 of those. And then I also ordered some Blue Fern Studio lace, and this is White Passages lace. It's half inch wide, and I think they also have this one in black. But I thought, you guys know I use a lot of lace, so let's see. This is about a yard's worth, and oh, that's so pretty. Look at that, so dainty. It's pretty. So yeah, that one, it was I ordered that one. And then I also ordered a black one. And this black one is called Black Embroidered Lace. And that's all it says, embroidered lace. And it is Blue Fern Studios. And this one is so pretty. Look at that, guys. Let me show you on that white background. How pretty is this? Oh my gosh, I just love it. Can't wait to use that. So I ordered that as well. And then I ordered a package of score tape, and I've never used these, but I have some thinner word dies that it's kind of hard to put glue on the back of the word dies without, or any, really intricate die without making a mess. So I went ahead and ordered these, this score tape, and it's a 6x6 sheet of double-sided adhesive. And let me see if there's any. There's 5 sheets in here, and I thought this would, if I glue it onto one side of the paper that I'm gonna die cut, I'm gonna give it a try, guys. Like I said, I've never used these. So I'm thinking if I glue on the paper on one side, it'll have the adhesive on the other. So I'm gonna give this a try, and I'll let you know how it works, or I'll show you how it works. I think the best example is by showing you. So I think these are going to be very useful, and it's a package of 5 6x6 sheets for $5, which I think is very good. And then going on to the paper, I ordered this limited edition of the Neverland. Now, you guys know I'm not cartoonish or whimsical, but I love the colors in here. And I don't know what I will be making with it, because like I said, it's not my style, but I'm sure I will find something to do with it. I just thought this paper was so pretty, that we can always, guys, if you hear banging in the background, I'm sorry. My husband is off again all week, and I have a honeydew list for him. So he's out there hammering and and doing a couple of things around the house that I've asked him very kindly to do for me. So this is the Neverland by Ciao Bella, and this is what the front of the package looks like. And you know, in reality, we can actually use all of these in our project if we need to. And this is what the back looks like on that one. It's got some cut aparts, which is cool. Look, it's on the bottom, it's on the back side of the printed part that we normally wouldn't be able to use, but since it's got the cut aparts there, we can certainly use those. And then on the next page, isn't that so cool? I just love it. Like I said, I don't know what I'm gonna make with it, but I'm gonna make something. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh, that is adorable. And then this one, there's the back. You know, I like it because the back, you know, when they put a gorgeous print on the front, a gorgeous print on the back, it's so hard to decide which side to use. But I can use this side, or we can use this side, and then with the leftover, with the scraps, we can embellish with the other side, which is really, really good. Oh, these cut aparts are so pretty. Look at that. Oh, I like those. Those are so pretty. I can see a waterfall with this one. That's so pretty. And look, okay, so one of the reasons that I did order this one was because, you know, I figured I could do something pink for girl, and then you know, the other colors for a boy. And this is one of the pages that really intrigued me. I just love that. I'm thinking maybe I should have ordered two. And here is the cut aparts. And I like that. See, it's got little girl images. It's got images for boys. So, you know, you can honestly just split it and make something for a boy and a girl. Or, you know, just combine it for a boy and a girl. And this is another Peter Pan page. There's the back. Oh, that is so cute. And look at this page, guys. Gosh, this is so pretty. I like that. And the stripe page is really pretty too. Here's another cut apart page. You can do quite a bit of embellishing with this page. Oh, but look at the back. The back is so pretty. Oh, I just love all these pages. I'm thinking I might have to order me another one. And that's the back. Or this is the last page. And this is the back of the last page. I'm thinking maybe I should order another one just so... because it's a limited edition, so you know, if I order it now while they still have it, I won't have to worry about running out when I do figure out what I'm going to do with that. So just love that one. And then I ordered the Mente love letters. I know this collection is it may have been from last year, I'm not sure, but I know I've seen it for yeah, it was from last year. And this is the love letters. And I'm sure, I'm just going to do a quick flip through. I'm sure that you guys have seen this because it has been out for a while. But personally, I do not have this collection. It looks like it's got two of each print, which is good. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, look at the back. You guys, you guys know this. These are my colors. I like the way they've incorporated the red in there because I don't use a whole lot of red except for Christmas time and Valentine's. So I just love the greens and the reds together. Here's the back of that one. And here's the cut apart page. That's so pretty. I really love that. And of course your classic picture frames on the back. And yeah, so that is the Mente love letters. And yes, I like that. Now another one that I ordered was another one that is not my style is the Alice paper pack. This one is the Stamperia Alice paper pack. Again, not my style, but I just thought I'd order it because, you know, it is pretty. I mean, gotta admit it's pretty. Oh, this one's not gonna open easily. Let me cut this open. Okay, got that removed. And this is the Stamperia Alice. And again, I know I said that it was not my style, but I think it's very pretty. I know it's an older one, but it's really, really pretty. I don't know what I will do with it though. I'm gonna have to try to get some ideas off the internet. I've seen plenty of mini albums made with this collection, although I'm not sure that's what I want to make, but it's so, so pretty. So I'll have to figure out what to do with it. So that was the Stamperia Alice. And then I did order another package of the Collateral Rust. When I made the locker that was given to us, or the SVG file was given to us by Michelle Randolph. She is another designer for ASC Crafts. She, I made the locker with this Collateral Rust, and I loved it. I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get another one just because it is a special limited edition, and I'm afraid that, and this one's by Ciao Bella. I'm just afraid that at some point I'm not gonna be able to get it again, and I really like that. So I went ahead and got another one. I have an idea of what I'm gonna do with this one, and I'm hoping it's gonna turn out good just because it is so pretty. Love it. So that is the other one that I got from Ciao Bella. And then Crystal sent me some extras. These are from Simple Life, and I guess the designer is Jen Hatfield, Homemade. And yeah, so guys, sometimes when you order stuff, if she has extra of anything that she knows she's not going to use, she will include some extras in your package. And these sheets happen to be extras. And I love me an extra. I love the challenge of a one-page wonder. So this one's really pretty. I like this one. And there's the back of that one. So the collection, oh, it's a Pebbles. It's a Pebbles collection. I'm guessing the company that made it is Pebbles. And I guess the name of the collection is Simple Life, designed by Jane Hatfield. So I really like this page. It just screams spring to me. So we'll see what we can do. So here's that one. I love me my wood. There's the back. Here's the one with bicycles. There's the back of that one. And then here is a plaid, a blue plaid, like a mint green plaid. And there's the back of that one. And this one with the lemons on there. And the lemon slices on the back. So thank you, Crystal, for all the extras. I really enjoy my extras. Guys, I'm going to leave all the links at the bottom in the description box, just so you could go check them out. Okay, Crystal, thank you so much for the extras. You know, I enjoy the extras, and I'm going to take this as a challenge for a one-page wonder on a couple of these pages, especially this one. This one's really pretty. But yeah, guys, I'm going to leave everything you need in the description box below, so you can go check them out. And that is my design team package share for December 2020. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a wonderful day.